I was fumbling. I felt so nervous. I was shaking. It took me a minute to get it going, but the glass and all was shaking. It was right over top of the house, but oh man, last time when I heard one go over the house, when I was in the kitchen making some tea, and it was like, is it hovering over top of the house? Like, what in the world? What is going on? Finally, it was just so much. I still had the tea box in my hand and walked out front. And it was like, they could probably see the color of my eyes. I couldn't believe how low they were with the trees and all. It just kind of hung there for a second or two. And then I watched them as they went away. It looked like there was a gun hanging out the other side. Then another one came back around. I came inside and had a cigarette. Then the third one, I was getting ready to grab my phone and go outside and film it. And then I'm like, I don't want them. I don't want to get involved. That's ridiculous. This place has really, really changed.